Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to stack and layer emojis on iMessage. First of all, we have to turn on iMessage in our iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down, tap on messages, and here must enable iMessage. Now go to your message app and go to the chat or conversation where you want to send layer emojis. And now open your keyboard by tapping on iMessage box and open emoji keyboard. And all you have to need, tap and drag the emoji and layer your emoji like this. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully layered a emoji here. So this is how we can stack and layer emojis in iMessage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.